Attention! Attention! This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. SCP-173 has escaped its containment cell and is now roaming your area. To stay safe, do not turn off your devices and listen closely to the following broadcast. SCP-173 is a highly dangerous being that was formerly contained by the SCP Foundation prior to its escape. It is a large statue made of concrete. Despite this, it is animate and potentially sentient. The statue has a big, oval-shaped head, and stubby arms and legs. However, it does not use these for moving. In order to move, it teleports to its target before lethally snapping their neck at the base or strangling them. SCP-173 is animate and extremely hostile. The object cannot move while within a direct line of sight. Line of sight must not be broken at any time with SCP-173. IT can kill a person in less than a second. Repeat, IT can kill a person in less than a second.
SCP-173 can internally decapitate its victims by breaking their neck. To date, no known subjects have ever survived this. MTF Alpha 9, the Last Hope, has been mobilized to deal with this threat. They are traveling in a Hummer marked with the following logo. Shopkeepers are asked to provide their goods and services to the following people free of charge if you think it can help them: Captain Chase Fielder, Iris, Snapshot, Thompson SCP-105, Sergeant Alejandro, Hellfire, Suarez, Sergeant Quinton Jackson Profar, Jacqueline Johnson SCP-1984, and anyone else who can prove they are affiliated with the Last Hope. The following are voice samples from Captain Fielder and Miss Thompson.
Hello, Iris Thompson speaking. Please allow me and my unit through your towns so we can contain this threat. Thanks so much.
Hello world. This is Captain Chase Ulysses Fielder of the SCP Foundation. Along with Miss Iris Thompson, I'll be assisting in the fight to take down SCP-173 and give you all peace of mind once again. I thank you in advance for your cooperation.